Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Acon Quick Check Ultra CHO Total Cholesterol Test Strips. So as you can see, this is the front view of the kit and this is the top view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the Acon Biotech. This is the manufacturing address, made in China. You can see this is the Quick Check Ultra Total Cholesterol Test Strips. You can see the reference number here, C1315017. As you can see, this is the contains all the other details, the manufacturing, the expiry. You can see, it is given the other details also. So guys, let me open this kit for you. So guys, this is so as you can see, on the top you can find a small quality control chip. You can see this is the quality control chip. Then I think we have the IFU brochure. Yes, this is the Quick Check Total Cholesterol Test Strip. You can see the reference number here, C1315017. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. It is manufactured by Acon Biotech from China. You can see all these details over here. So you can see the code and the quality control chip. No numbers, no, they match. So you can see they match perfectly. And this is the strips, and then we have the IFU brochure. Yeah, we have the IFU brochure. As you can see, this is the Acon Quick Check Ultra Total Cholesterol Test Strips. You can find the reference number here. So this is the pack insert. So guys, to sum this up, this is the unboxing of Acon Quick Check Ultra Cholesterol Test Strips. You can see, this cholesterol test strips comes with a quality control chip. Then we have the 25 test cholesterol test strips. You can see, the code for the test strips and the IC chip matches. Then we have the IFU brochure, the instructions for use brochure. Then we have the carton. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Acon Quick Check Ultra Total Cholesterol Test Strips. Thank you.